Welcome. Today we will discuss the two methodologies to develop a software. Number one, procedure oriented, and number two, object oriented methodology. So, very first we will see procedure oriented. So, what happens in procedure oriented approach or methodology? It gives more importance on doing the things or what are the processes in business, and it will model that processes to a code, or it will analyze, design and code the system with respect to that processes in the business. That is more importance to doing the things. In this procedure oriented methodology to develop a software, we follow top down approach. Means very first we consider the system as a whole, and then we break down that system into small processes, and we convert that processes into modules or function, and they will call each other to provide a solution. What is the drawback of this system? Data moves very freely around the functions, and it can be modified by any function. So there is a question on data integrity. Another approach to develop a software is an object oriented approach. In this approach, we think the business is made up of some real time entities, or they are called as object, a single unit in which data and functions are binded together or encapsulated together. So this object oriented approach follows bottom up approach. Means very first, while analyzing, designing or coding the system, we find out the real time entities in that business. We find out the properties and behavior of that entities and code it accordingly. And then we find out the relationship between that objects, and in this way that all objects get tied with each other and a system get created. Bottom up approach. And here data is encapsulated inside that object. So data integrity is maintained. Data will not free around the system. In procedure oriented approach, DFD, ERD type of technology is used, and in object oriented we use the UML notations. Thank you.